Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max Zoom lesson. It's Unit 21, Lesson 7 and 8, Collecting, Recording and Interpreting Data 1 and 2. Objective: answer a question by collecting and interpreting data in lists and tables and representing it as block graphs and pictograms to show results. Use Carroll and Venn diagrams to sort numbers or objects using one or two criterion. Strategies: we can use a block graph, pictogram, etc. to find an answer from a picture and can use data to make Venn or Carroll diagram. Now, it's Jim's birthday today. Look, there are so many cakes. Reem, Ali, Jim, and Kim like chocolate cake. Sam, Bill, Rex, Ria, and Ruth like strawberry cake. And Tom and Mike like vanilla cake. Can we make this into a table? Now, let's record the data in a table. Here, the chocolate cake are Reem, Ali, Jim, and Kim. Strawberry is Sam, Bill, Rex, Ria, and Ruth. Vanilla, Tom, and Mike. A table allows us to begin to sort the data using simple criteria. Here, the table making into two parts, flavor and number. Flavors are chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. How many of them like strawberry? Chocolate, it's 4. Strawberry, 5. Vanilla, 2. Now, let's make the block graph. Using the above information, flavor, number, chocolate, 4. Block graphs represent each piece of data in the set by an individual block arranged in columns. So chocolate is 4. We have to shade 4 parts, and strawberry we have to shade 5 parts, and vanilla need to shade 2 parts. Let's make a pictogram for it. Flavor and number. With the same information, flavor of the cake is the title. Now, a pictogram gives information with pictures and symbols. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla are the labels. We need to draw 4 chocolate cake, 5 strawberry cake, and 2 vanilla. Tina is taking a survey on who all like English and science in her class. Let's help her to draw a Venn diagram. Here the information given are English. Who all like English? Sarah, Jim, and Anne. Who all like science? Tom, Anne, and Sam. Here we are going to draw a Venn diagram with 2 sorting rules. So favorite subject is the title and English and science in the circle. A Venn diagram is a method used to sort items into groups. Here the children who likes English are Sarah, Jim, and Anne. The children who like science are Tom, Anne, and Sam. Now, in the overlapping area, we have to write the name of the child who likes both English and science. From here, Anne like both English and science. So this is the Venn diagram with 2 sorting rules. Now, Ria and Kia are collecting some data from their friends. Can you help them to create a Carroll diagram? Information given are have a pet, Nia and Tim. Have a brother, Anna and Tim. Have a pet is Sarah, Anna, and having a brother, John, Hugo. Does not have a pet or brother is Bill and Ruth. Now, a Carroll diagram is used to organize data and group it according to the criteria. This is two sorting rules. So we need four headings. Have a brother, have a pet, does not have a brother, does not have a pet. Now the question is, have a pet and have a brother. Yes, it's Anna and Tim. Now, have a brother does not have a pet. It's John and Hugo. Now, does not have a brother have a pet. It's Nia and Sarah. Now, does not have a pet and does not have a brother. It's Bill and Ruth. Assessment of learning. Can you draw a block graph for this table? Information given are fruit, orange, apple, banana. There are numbers 3 to 4. So we are going to draw a block graph. So on the x-axis, we are going to keep the items orange, apple and banana. On the y-axis, the numbers from 0 to 5. So we need to shade 3 parts for orange and apple. We need to shade 2 blocks and banana is 4. Great job. Now draw a Venn diagram. Favorite types of book: boys, information, stories, adventure, sport. Girls, stories, information, craft, animal. We are going to draw a Venn diagram with two sorting rules: favorite book, boys and girls. So boys like information, stories, adventure, sports, and girls like information, stories, craft, and animal. Now we have to find out who likes book. Okay. So the information and stories. So information and stories will come in the overlapping area. Great job. Summary. We can ask questions and take a survey. We know how to represent information in a graph or diagram. Homework time. Do Maths workbook pages 124, 125, 126 and 127. So, thank you children. Have a nice